How to download and install Zangi app on laptop or PC. Now, this specific platform or application right here is only available for mobile devices. Now, if you're going to be downloading this app using your laptop or PC, then you need to run on any reliable emulator. So just head out directly to your new tab and just simply type in BlueStacks. Hit on enter and choose on the very first result. Now, BlueStacks is actually kind of working like a Google Play Store. Just simply download it and install it, run it on your PC, and once you have successfully or completely installed this application right here for your laptop or PC, then that's the time that you need to use the search box, kind of working like a Google Play Store. Look for the Zangi app and then just automatically download it, and it will also automatically install by itself. That's basically it. That's how you download and install Zangi app using your laptop or PC.